To enable and use double pin gesture on your Galaxy Watch to control media playback, you can do so by using two ways. As the example, we will enable this feature from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, on your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap button and gestures. Under gesture section, tap the gray on off switch next to double pins until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, play a media on your phone. Pins twice to open the media app shown at the bottom of the watch face. While you are opening the media playback, you can also play or pause music by using the same gesture. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.